You ready? How about you guys? You ready? All right. Hey, BOOZHOO! And welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Today's Ojibwe language lesson is however, the days of the week. The days of the week in Ojibwe Moan, in the Ojibwe language. So you want to learn to talk Indian, do you? So, let's just get started. We're going to go around the room. And the first word, Sunday. Anima e Gija good. Anima e Gija good. Prayer day. Anima e Gija good. All right, sweetie, you want to do the next one?
Yeah, okay. Hey, everybody. The Ojibwe word for Monday, Ishwa, anima e Gija good. And that means the day after prayer day. Ishwa, anima e Gija good.
All right, and then that brings us to Makwa. Makwa, you want to do Tuesday? Yeah, I'll do Tuesday. Hey, everybody. Makwa Indigenous cause. Makwa is my name, Bear. And the Ojibwe word for Tuesday is Nijo Gija Good. It is the second day. The second day. Nijo Gija Good. The second day, or Tuesday. How was that? Oh, it was really good. And let's see who's up next. Waka Akwe, you want to tell us what Wednesday is in the language?
Waka! Wednesday, Abatuse, or halfway. Abatuse means Wednesday in Ojibwe. Waka!
Okay. Anamosh? Anamosh, do you want to tell us what the word for Thursday is? Well, I'd be delighted. Well, everybody, the Ojibwe word for Thursday is what you call it? Neo Gija Good. Neo Gija Good, or the fourth day. And Neo Gija Good, Thursday, or the fourth day. All right, real good. And then that brings us to Benjamin. Benjamin, can you tell us what the Ojibwe word for Friday is? Yeah, sure. Friday in the Ojibwe language is Nano Gija Good. Friday. Nano Gija Good. And that's in English the fifth day. Nano. All right, very good. And that brings us to Saturday. And Saturday is Kazibigi Saganage Gija Good. Kazibigi Saganage Gija Good. Floor washing day. And that is the day you should wash your floor, because it's Saturday. Kazibigi Saganage Gija Good. And that pretty much does it, huh? And you have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. This is Natasha. We got Makwa and Anamosh and Benjamin. Thank you so much, guys. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa. Hoa. Oh, that was really good, sweetie. Oh, and give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Nah.